This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Donna Erical. Welcome to this end-unit townhome. Featuring on the first floor, an open-plan living and dining area, kitchen, half-bath, laundry and lots of storage. Its bright kitchen boasts Corian countertops, a breakfast bar and tile flooring. On the second floor you will find the master bedroom and bath with a walk-in closet. There are 2 more bedrooms and a guest bathroom on this floor. This corner unit has ample amounts of natural light and is freshly painted. The community pool is located just down the street from this unit. The unit includes an assigned parking space with ample guest parking. Lighthouse Cove is maintenance-free, pet-friendly and provides access to biking, walking trails, and playground. It is conveniently located near I-75 for travel, shopping, Costco, and golfing. Lighthouse Cove has a one-time capital contribution fee of $1,000 towards the master community of Heritage Harbor.